Hello everyone, welcome back to Journey with Shar on this lovely Monday. I come to you this afternoon. We are going to be making some very delicious brownies, okay? These brownies are made with almond flour because y'all know when we get older we have to be careful what we eat. We can't eat like we used to back in the day. So and then it's also making better, healthier choices, okay? I have a sweet tooth, so I have to learn making desserts that are to my liking, but that are also healthy. And thank God for the internet, for TikTok, for YouTube, and also all recipe places like that where you can go online, you can type in healthier options rather than the Pillsbury box. So we're going to make the almond flour based, and I got this almond flour from Kirkland, and we're going to make these brownies. However, I don't have the actual almonds today. These are going to be Valentine brownies, so they're going to be chocolate brownies with chocolate chips, and we're going to put sprinkles on the top, but they're just a more healthier option. All right, so I'm going to show you everything that we're going to need. First of all, we're going to be cooking this in the Pioneer Woman Heart Baker. If you have not seen this, I will put the link down below. This one has already been sprayed and it's ready to be filled and put into the oven. So we're going to set that to a side. We have our almond flour. We have our coconut sugar. Instead of using regular sugar or whatever sweetener you like, I am opting out today to use coconut sugar, okay? But like I said, you can use any sweetener you like, even maple syrup. You can use one of the sweeteners, or you can even use honey in this if you want to, okay? Also, I have 1 egg here. We have milk. We have baking powder. We have 2 tablespoons of eggs, and we have the Hershey Cocoa Special Edition, and this is the special dark edition. You also use a little bit of salt and vanilla, of course, okay? So let me get everything together. All right, and we're going to be using my handy dandy Pioneer Woman hand mixer, okay, you guys? I absolutely love this. Only thing I don't like is that everything has rubbed off, her name and everything that comes with what level it is, but thank God I know what level it is, okay? So anyway, let's get started, you guys. Stay tuned. All right, you all, so right now we have 2 tablespoons of butter. I probably can put a little bit more butter in there. And then we have the coconut sugar. We're gonna go ahead on and dunk that inside. Make sure we get it all out. And then we're gonna go ahead on and start the creaming. I'm not gonna let you hear the noise. Here we go. We're gonna cream this together. You all stay tuned. All right, you all, so now because this is not regular sugar, it's not gonna cream as much as if you were using regular sugar because it is coconut sugar. So now what we're going to do is we're going to add in the egg and the almond milk and the vanilla, okay? Now mind you, you can add any beverage you want to this, milk beverage of your choice, okay? And then we're gonna add the vanilla. So now we're gonna add the milk. We're gonna add the egg. There we go. And then we're going to shake the vanilla up really good. And where mommy's gonna help me with 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Oops, never wrong. We're having a little bit too much vanilla. Okay, so now we're gonna do the creaming. All right, that's pretty good for coconut, you guys. All right, we're gonna go around here and just get the edges. And like I said, you can use any sugar you want, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead on. Now we're gonna take a separate bowl here and we're gonna whisk in all the dry ingredients. So we have our heart, beautiful heart bowl filled of almond flour. We're gonna whisk in the cocoa powder. And I will show you when this is in the oven which cocoa powder I used. Okay. Sorry for the beat. Cocoa powder, almond powder. We're gonna whisk in the baking powder, and mom's gonna do a little squeeze of salt. that's 1/8 salt. So now we're going to go ahead on and whisk that all together, just like so. That cocoa is so beautiful. I can't wait to show you. I like using different kind of cocos, but I tell you one thing, I am a fan of the Hershey brand. I grew up on the Hershey brand, and when I saw the special one that they had, I'll show you that one later what it looks like. I was really excited. So what we're going to do is whisk this one more time. I'm going to take this and I'm going to blend it until well incorporated with the dry mix, and then I'm going to add in the chocolate chips too as well. And now what we're going to do, we're going to take all of this delicious mix, and you all, I have tried this with regular sugar too, and it is delicious. Okay, and we're just going to blend it together just like so. Looks delicious to me. What do you think? And I think that that is just beautiful, you guys. So now what we're going to do, we're going to shake that. Make sure all of that delicious cocoa is off. Now we're going to stir in a little bit of chocolate chips. You all, I'm just going to stir it in, and then I'm going to put some on top too as well. All right, so let's get this in. It looks beautiful. Make sure we get all of the mix. That cocoa smells so nice and rich. Absolutely love that. Okay, we're going to set that to a side. We're just going to take our handy knife here, make sure everything is scraped, and then we'll go in and just spread it around. Isn't that pretty, you guys? And I know that this stoneware is going to cook pretty good because of the fact that stoneware period is just really good to cook with. Oh, it's going to go into the oven for 350 for 30 to 35 minutes. Okay, you guys? So these are our semi-healthy Valentine brownies, you guys. All right. Okay, so let's go put these in. So next stop, these will be done, and we'll give them a taste. Stay tuned. I'm going to take this out. It's ready, and we're going to see what it looks like. All right, you all, that is the cake, and it looks so beautiful. It is just stunning. It really does look really good, doesn't it, Mommy? Mm-hmm. Oh, how pretty. So we're gonna let this completely cool off. This is the pan that goes in, so I'm gonna let it cool off on here. And we're never gonna take this out. We're just gonna cut at it and eat it, but we'll taste it once it's 100% cool off. So that's probably gonna take about 2 hours. So you all, I'll see you soon. Stay tuned. All right, you all. So it has cooled off. And my family said, we don't want to wait that long to taste it, girl. We want to taste it while it's warm. So I'm going to cut a little corner here. Mom, you have and I added a little bit more chocolate chips on top, because like I said, my family is a chocolate chip family. And you guys, look, it's really pretty. And let's try to get it. Ooh, look at that. That is lovely. Oh, you guys, you have to try this. Look how rich that chocolate is. Okay, we'll go in for finger right. Go. It's really moist. Look at that. And with some ice cream. You all. Oh my goodness. It is so rich in chocolate. It is so delicious. You have to try it. The edge of that, the top, the bottom cooked beautifully. And then we have some sprinkles in the inside with some chocolate there. You guys, I think it did really good. What do you think? This pan did wonderful. It's a little still warm, but the almond brownies are very gooey and delicious. All right, you all. So beautiful. Let's bring it up. I didn't want to put the whipped cream on it because I just believe that it would have taken away the beauty. So I wanted you to see once it is nice and done, look how rich that chocolate is. And it is just beautiful. You all can see, like I said, it was still moist. This is after like 30 minutes, you guys. Look at the moisture in this brownie. This is almond. Isn't that beautiful? So if you take that brownie and you add it with a little bit of whipped cream, and you can cut your strawberries up. Delicious. Now let's go back to the ending. All right, y'all, so thank you so much for tuning in to Journey with Char. If this is your first time ever seeing my channel and you like what you see, please hit that subscribe button. Make sure you also hit the notification bell. Every time I upload a new video, it will alert you, and you all can come check me out and see what I'm doing. Thank you so much for tuning in. You all take care of one another, love one another. Remember always, trust God, keep Him first, and He'll always lead you in the right direction. I'll see you soon. God bless. Bon appetit. Bye-bye.